It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. And since we're at work,
I'm full of surprise.
you know, Thomas, about that line that closed down because of that one accident? Oh, the one you caused? Yeah, what about it? Well, Sir Topham Hatt said that I get to pull Eddie and Clarabelle while you repair that branch line. He said what? Hello, guys. What did I miss? Oh, what did you miss? What, this idiot's pulling my coat? Now, Tom. It's not nice to call people idiot. Who you calling idiot? Well, this idiot's about to pull your coaches while you have to fix that branch line. I'll kill you! Well, I have a plan to get him back. You see, it's a very good plan. I'm going to derail him. You know, for a person like you, that's a stupid plan. Like, I'm not like that. Shut up, Toby. It's gonna work, I promise. See you later, Toby. That plan's gonna work. For sure. Got to board this mail train. I'm gonna get that idiot. You ain't getting away. Help! Get back up. And then there was trouble. Get back. Wait. Right. Dang it. I say, Thomas, you look terrible. They were both mad at each other. Percy, what? Apologies. Right now. Fine, Thomas, I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay. Those passengers need an engine anyways. I don't know when I was mad. And they all were friends again and lived happily ever after.